Phase 1B opens in South Carolina starting Monday, and Prisma Health working to make sure vaccines get into communities that really need them the most. One way they're doing so is with mobile vaccine units. Prisma is hosting 2 of those units in the Upstate this weekend, and they plan to launch more.
When fully ramped, 7 specially outfitted mobile units will take vaccines directly into rural and underserved communities that need them most.
Such a great idea. Fox Carolina's Grace Runkel explains how the mobile units will serve the areas that need those vaccines.
68-year-old William Mason is just days away from getting his second COVID-19 vaccine.
I am tickled to death on that way. I quit worrying so much. It's got where we don't even get out anymore.
He lives in the Gant neighborhood and will be able to get his dose at the VA. But not everyone is that lucky. That's why Prisma is launching its first official mobile site at Shady Oaks Baptist Church tomorrow.
We're able to look at our internal data to determine, which zip codes and actually down to the census tract level, who is coming to our current mass vaccination sites. One of the other things that we're looking at is who's not. So which zip codes, which census tracts aren't showing up.
The Gant area is one of those. Census data shows the neighborhood has a higher than average population of people 65 and up, and the population is mostly black, a group that's been underrepresented in the vaccine data, according to DHEC.
I think it's an ideal spot here. It helps a lot of people around here because a lot of them are elderly people and they don't get around that good.
The 3 closest sites to Shady Oak are about 3 miles away, according to DHEC. But the mobile site will allow Prisma to vaccinate up to 400 people at once. As we spoke with people in the community, many said they would not get the vaccine. One man says better access could change that.
You get that vaccine shot, it probably changed a lot of people's mind and a lot of loved ones so they can have their family around.
Everybody needs to get it. We need to take care of each other.
Prisma says vaccine registration at the mobile units is limited to neighbors in those targeted rural communities. Community site hosts will work with Prisma to reach out to those eligible residents to assist them in making appointments for those mobile events.